Hey everyone, it's Melissa from whatwoldmelissawear.com, and yes, I am in a towel and my robe. I love you guys, but I just don't feel like getting dressed, and I just came back from exercising and I just don't feel like wearing clothes. But with all that being said, I'm hungry and I wanted to share with you guys my really quick shrimp guacamole bites that I'm going to have as a meal. I have leftover rice in the fridge, so I'm just going to make this. It's going to be done in less than 20 minutes all in all. All right, so we're gonna get started on the guacamole. I already ate a side, so we're just gonna slice this and put it in. So after you mash it, right, I like my avocado to be a little bit chunky. Let's add some salt. Some pepper. Juice. Stir it all in. And then I add these. So the oil for my tostones is getting warm, and you guys, to make tostones you need a tostonera. You can get this at any Spanish supermarket, but this is what gets the tostones its shape, right? This is what flattens it. If you don't have one of these, get foil paper and a flat bottom glass cup. It doesn't have to be glass, but it needs to be a flat bottom, right? And you're gonna need a surface to do it on. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with the actual tostones once they are through cooking. I have to warn you guys, if you guys are scared of being popped by grease, then this is not for you. What I like to do with my tostones after I'm done cleaning them is I pat them with a paper towel to get that water out, because water and oil do not mix, okay? And they can get dangerous when the oil's hot. All right, so make sure you try to drain off as much water as possible if you don't want to get popped. But if you got thick skin and you can handle it, do you. Cooked shrimp will start to look like a C, and an overcooked shrimp will start to turn into like a ball. All right, so I chopped my shrimp up into smaller pieces, and I am going to add it into my guacamole, and then I'm going to put it on top of my tostones, and lunch will be done. So just add it in. You have like a little shrimp guacamole salad. And take one of the crispy tostones and just scoop on the guacamole on top. And that's it. So good. Alright, so there you guys have it. Shrimp guacamole tostone bites. Ooh, you can have these as an appetizer for parties. I made my rice. I'm gonna have it with my rice and have these on the side, and they're just so delicious. If you guys want more recipes like this, let me know in the comment. They're super fast and simple. and delicious. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'm going to have the recipe for this over at whatwould.melizzawear.com. I'll put the link below. Go check it out, and yeah, until next time, besitos.